Many people are facing problems with the new Google Phone Dialer update. So as you can see, my calling screen has not changed. This is still the old version of the Google Phone Dialer. But now Google has released the new dialer update with a completely different calling screen. So in this video, I will show you how you can get the new Google Dialer on your phone. If you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe to it and press the bell icon to get notification of new videos. So let's get started. If you want to get the new Google Phone Dialer, then first of all open the Google Play Store. Now tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner. After that, select Manage Apps and Device. Now here go to Manage. Then tap on Updates Available. From this list, find the Phone app. So this is the Google Phone app. Just tap on it. Then tap on Update button from here. Now you can see that my Google Phone app is updating. After the update finishes, go back to the home screen. Now just tap and hold on the Google Phone Dialer app. Then tap on App Info from here. Now here you tap on Storage and Cache. And then tap on Clear Cache. Now go back to the home screen. Then open the recent app screen and clear the Google Phone app from here. Now if I open the phone app, you can see that the phone call screen has been changed. So this is the new Google Dialer with the latest updated interface. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like.